Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you practical tutorials for your everyday needs. In today's video, we'll be focusing on steering test and maintenance for your vehicle. It's important to ensure that your steering system is in top condition for safe driving. So, let's dive into the tutorial. Steering test. The first step is to conduct a steering test to assess the condition of your steering system. Start by checking the alignment of your steering wheel to ensure it is centered. Then, inspect the power steering fluid level and quality. Test the responsiveness of the steering wheel by turning it left and right while the engine is running. Any unusual noises or stiffness could indicate a problem that needs attention. Steering wheel maintenance. Next, it's time to perform some steering wheel maintenance. Start by lubricating the steering components to ensure smooth operation. Check for any loose connections or worn-out parts that may need replacement. Tighten any bolts or screws that secure the steering wheel in place to prevent any potential issues while driving. Wheel alignment check. Lastly, it's crucial to check the wheel alignment of your vehicle. Use wheel alignment tools to adjust the camber and toe settings for optimal performance. Proper wheel alignment ensures even tire wear and enhances the overall handling of your vehicle. If you notice any uneven wear patterns on your tires, it may be time for a wheel alignment adjustment. There you have it, a comprehensive tutorial on how to conduct a steering test and maintenance for your vehicle. Remember, regular maintenance of your steering system is essential for safe and efficient driving. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.